Welcome everyone to Module 5. This week we leave Plato and turn to Aristotle, and with him I think we'll get a more robust account of human nature. With Plato we saw us humans as capable of achieving wisdom and virtue, but this required us to overcome the realm of appearances and turn to the forms. This is no small feat and requires us to give up our stubborn ways and to acknowledge our deep-seated ignorance. With Aristotle we get a more robust conception of human nature insofar as he makes it much more clear the connection between what we as humans are and the world in which we live. This connection also makes clear the relation between wise rulers and the citizens over whom they rule. So in this introduction I just want to say a few things about Aristotle and why we're studying him in a class whose theme is human nature. Aristotle was born in 384 BC and died in 322 BC. He was born in Macedon, in what is now northern Greece, but he lived most of his adult life in Athens. At the age of 17 he moved from Macedon to Athens in order to study at Plato's academy. He studied under Plato for 20 years, but then left Athens because political tensions were mounting between Athenians and Macedonians, and Aristotle feared for his life. He then spent some time in Macedon, Lesbos, and Assos, before returning to Athens to found his own school, the Lyceum. Aristotle's influence on Western thought can hardly be overstated. He wrote the first treatises in logic, ethics, and physics. These are real benchmarks in human understanding for over 1,000 years, and in many ways they continue to be influential today. This module is really a preparation for the next two. We read passages from his Physics and On the Soul in order for us to understand how we humans fit into the natural world. This is necessary for us to understand how Aristotle sees us as fundamentally political animals. I won't say more on that now, but leave you to work through the module. Good luck, everyone.